Payal, as far as Vadodara is concerned, Narendra Modi, with the kind of wave that the BJP is talking about, is clearly hoping that not just Vadodara, the whole of Gujarat. But with the Congress putting in a strong stalwart and a Dalit leader like Madhusudan Mistry, do you see Narendra Modi perhaps facing a dent, if not a defeat?
Giving the whole campaign a big dent, and he claims that because of that, Narendra Modi, who was claiming that he will not come to Vadodara once after filing nomination, had to come to Vadodara and address one big rally in Vadodara itself. But the whole BJP game plan seems to be to give a safe seat for Narendra Modi, and at the same time for the mission of 26 to all winning of all the 26 seats in Gujarat. They want to ensure that Modi contesting from Varanasi should have impact on the neighbouring seats of Kheda and Anand. Last time these seats were won by Congress, and because of that Congress could reach to the tally of 11 seats out of 26 in Gujarat. So what BJP wants to ensure that in the central Gujarat they want to win all the seats possible, and because of that they think that they should be able to reach to the 26 tally in Gujarat, which they could never achieve despite having government 3 times consecutively of Narendra Modi in Gujarat. So BJP's plan is very clear. At the same time, what the BJP workers are saying that they want to give quite a handsome victory for Narendra Modi, so that his stature can increase more, because they think that Varanasi cannot be that much of the safe passage, whereas Vadodara can be. But the main challenge which both the parties are facing is the rising temperature, rising mercury levels in Vadodara. Yesterday it was 43 degrees Celsius, and today it is likely to reach at the same level. So they fear that it might have impact on the voting percent, and because of that there can be some kind of a problem ensuring voters coming out and casting their votes in Vadodara. So what we are seeing right now is that even Election Commission is trying to ensure that the voters come out more than 50% at least and vote, even if the temperature issue is there, and they are taking all kind of precautions right now in Vadodara.
So on the one side there's the political heat, and then the heat wave that is also casting a shadow on this election and perhaps might reflect in the kind of voter percentage that we see towards the end of the day.